Dad and I decided to use my air fryer to make the salmon steak, and it turned out perfectly juicy and tasty. Dad bought this beautiful fresh salmon steak, which is about 1.6 pounds for $11. The scale on the skin of the salmon has already been removed, so we're just going to rinse it clean under cool water. Place the salmon steak into a bowl so that we can marinate it. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need to massage all the seasoning evenly onto the salmon, then set aside and let it sit in the marinade. Because the salmon steak is so fresh, we don't want to add too much seasoning, which will mask its beautiful fresh taste. Add 3 diced garlic and then let it sit in the marinade for 10 minutes. Remove the tray from your basket in your air fryer and place it directly in the basket. Pour all the sauce and garlic on top. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and set the timer for 15 minutes. Now let's go prepare the green onion, which adds great color to our dish. Rinse clean 2 green onion and cut it into 1-inch pieces, or if you prefer, you can dice it. Wow, so pretty! Put the green onion into your basket and set the timer for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want your green onion to be more cooked, you can leave it there a little bit longer. Wow, look at that! Wow. Obviously, from our reaction, Dad and I are super happy at how this salmon steak turned out. It's cooked perfectly with beautiful color and crispy on the outside. Now let's check the inside. So obviously I forgot to take the video and started eating the salmon, but you can see how moist and juicy it is on the inside. It's perfectly done. This recipe is both healthy and delicious. I hope you get a chance to try it out. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.